Hello friends and fellow engineers. My name is Engineer Cornel Lenroc. So today I'm going to take you through the water treatment processes that take place in our water treatment plant. Without wasting time, let's start with the intake and screening. At the intake, water from the river is diverted so that it can go through the screening processes. Screens are structures that are used to remove large floating objects such as leaves, twigs, rocks and other debris from water. After screening, water is pumped at 2.6 meters cubed per minute to the receiving well, which is about 2 kilometers from the intake. What's a receiving well? This is a structure that is used to receive water that is pumped from the intake, I mean raw water. Now, this is the receiving well. This is what I was talking about. This is now the receiving well. For removal of suspended solids and turbidity, coagulation must take place. In our company, we use aluminum sulfate with positive charge, which is added to water to neutralize fine particles with negative electrical charge. When the charges are neutralized, particles come together forming soft, fluffy particles called flocks. Once the flocks are formed during flocculation, they need to settle down. This takes place in a process called sedimentation. After flocculation and coagulation, water is kept in the tank for several hours for sedimentation to take place. Materials that settle down are called sludge. These particles settle down the sedimentation tank by gravity. Rapid filters. This is a filtration method used in conventional water treatment. Solids that are not separated at sedimentation are removed by rapid sand filters. When the filters are full of trapped solids, they are backwashed, where clean water and air are reverse pumped up the filter to dislodge the trapped solids. Air scoring is used to agitate the particles settled in the sand filters before backwashing. Once water has been filtered, it gets into the mixing tank, where chlorine is added to remove pathogen and soda ash added to boost the pH. Once all this is done, water is stored in the clear water reservoirs, waiting for distribution to the customers. You might ask yourself where the backwashing waste went to. Well, they were drained into the sludge drying beds and the wastewater taken back to the river. Guys, thanks for your support and I really appreciate it.